Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about mugwort. What I want you to know about mugwort, what are the uses of mugwort, and when I mean mugwort, I'm mainly referring to the mugwort dried leaf. Now in a video that I did sometime last year, in the last summer period, I showed you a little bit of a walk around, a tour of some of the Finnish forests and how to best identify some of the herbs. And one of these herbs that was mainly prominent is mugwort, and I showed you how to identify it. I showed you what things I use it for. I talked a little bit about it, but I just want to do a quick refresh on how to use the mugwort plant. And what it's traditionally been used for in order to promote health and wellness and healing. So the mugwort plant is very gentle. It's actually considered as a nerve tonic. So it really helps also with any sort of menstrual problems, any sort of menopausal problems. Also, anyone who's having problems with regulating their cycle or with period pain can seek the assistance of this wonderful herb in terms of helping to regulate the period, helping to alleviate menstrual pain that way. So it's also being used for so many other things as well. In Chinese traditional healing, they use it to like a moxa stick. They use it in dried form, and it's burnt at the end of the acupuncture needles, which is a procedure called moxibustion. Sorry for my pronunciation. So that has been believed to help in detoxing the body that way. So the main ways to use the mugwort is, first of all, you can make it a simple infusion, a tea form. Start off with 5 grams of dried mugwort, add to that a cup of boiling water, cover, steep, and sweeten as needed. And there you go, it's ready to go. It's really good for any sort of digestive issues, also to help maintain the digestive health. Also keep in mind that this is a quite bitter herb. What does that mean? The more bitter the herb, the better it is for the digestive system, and the more of a tonic properties it has. Another way to use it is to make a simple deconcussion, which is a stronger form of concentrated infusion. And you can also use it as a tincture, which is mainly available in the health food stores. You can use it mainly as a tincture to help with period pain if you want that quick effect, because tinctures are quite fast in the way that they're bioavailable. They're well recognized by the body, and also they're concentrated as well. So please be mindful on the exact amount that you need to take based on your weight and your height. And also, then again, the same warnings apply for mugwort as they did for wormwood. Yesterday's video I discussed some of the warnings of wormwood, and that is mainly 2 warnings. The same applies for mugwort as well. What are these warnings? First of all, if you're pregnant, if you're breastfeeding, please do not use mugwort if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Also, please do not use an alcohol tincture. If you intend to use a mugwort tincture, make sure that it's a glycerin based. Why? Because we want to make sure that the liver is well supported, and one of the things that is not good for the liver is alcohol. So preferably, if you can use an alcohol-free tincture, a mugwort tincture that's made from glycerin, that would be the best thing that you could do. If you are in the process of making your own tincture, and alcohol is one thing that you completely rely on making your tinctures, I understand that way. You might want to opt in for using the hot water tincture making method. Why? Because we want to reduce down the amount of alcohol. That's the main aim when it comes to these kind of herbs. Any sort of liver supportant, any sort of herb that supports the liver should have minimal alcohol or no alcohol involved in it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you enjoyed today's content, then please do not forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon. I appreciate every single one of you.